Hi, I'm Chuck Parsons, Training and Educational Manager here at HPC, and today we're going to open another box. Today we're going to do another video of product opening here. This is our CSA certified matchlit unit. Some of you might know it as our MLFPK unit. This is one of our easier, simpler units, but let's get down to it. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so first thing you'll notice here is the valve train here, or a key valve, is going to be boxed up for you here. Of course, inside that, we'll get to that in just a second, that is going to be your operation valve or your key valve. Of course, we've got some packaging here. Once we get that out of the way, you are also going to notice that there will be instructions in this shipment as well. That is the most important thing. Make sure you are keeping your installation instructions. Of course, that's going to cover all of your warranty as well. But more importantly, that needs to be given to the homeowner as basically their operational manual. But again, you'll find those instructions in every shipment that we have, along with a sticker of a model number, serial number, and all of that information. It's a good idea to write that serial number down just for future reference. So we'll pull this out of the box now. And as you can see, it's a pretty simple unit here. Again, this is our matchlit unit. Again, we've got pan and burner. Of course, the mounting bracket is attached to the valve, pre-attached to the valve. It's really just a matter of mounting your bracket, stoning around. I mentioned the instructions earlier. Inside of the instructions here, you will notice your key valve, but it's just a quarter turn key valve. That is our matchlit, our MLFPK CSA certified matchlits.